Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to be testing the best ADX strategy built by professional traders, 100 trades in a row, so you guys can see how it performs over a series of trades. So if we scroll down a little bit, they kind of explain what the ADX indicator is and then provide a few trading strategies for it. So the one I'm going to be testing is the day trading strategy for the 5-minute time frame that they show here. How it works is very simple. It's going to be using the ADX indicator with the settings 3 and 3, so much lower than default settings. Then you're going to put two horizontal lines on the ADX indicator, as you can see in the graphic right here. One of those will be at the 25 level and one will be at the 50 level, and that's it. So how do you enter a trade? Well, you first need to see that the ADX goes below the 25 level and then goes over the 50 level, as it kind of signals the breakout of a consolidation. And how you're going to enter the trade is based on what direction the price is moving when that breakout is happening. So ADX rises over 50 and the price is dropping, you're going to short. If ADX is rising over 50 while price is going up, you're going to enter a long. Now, they don't provide a method of placing the stop loss or the take profit target. So let's head over to my chart where we will discuss how I'm going to be doing the stop loss and the take profit target. So as you can see, I have the ADX, and we'll take a look at the settings just to show I have it at 3 and 3. I've got the level at 50 and the level at 25 here. And so let's go through a few examples of what I'm actually going to be testing for the 100 trades in a row. So ADX goes below the 25 level, right? Then it goes over the 50 level on this candle right here. That's going to be our entry candle for a long. Price is going up as this happens. And then the stop loss will be placed at the ADX low, so the turning point here before the ADX starts going up. So if we take a look at that candle, stop loss is going to go just below that candle that creates that ADX turning point below 25 here. All right, and I'm going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk for all the trades. So this is how it's going to be done. Let's go through a couple more examples here. ADX goes below 25, breaks above 50 on this candle, giving us our entry candle. And then we take a look to that candle that created the turning point on the ADX, so right here, and then place our stop loss just below that candle, targeting 1.5 times the risk. All right, let's go over a couple shorting examples here, and then we will get into the 100 tests. Very simple strategy, so it'll be interesting to see if this can pull any sort of profit. So ADX goes below 25 over here. Then we see it break above the 50 level right on this candle. We take a look back at the turning point here, and it's on this red candle here. So stop loss goes above that candle. Going to target 1.5 times the risk, and that is the strategy. All right. So should make sense. Very simple, just using the ADX. And kind of their rationale behind it is that ADX goes below 25, it's kind of considered a consolidation. Breaks over 50, it's considered a break out of that consolidation. So you want to enter a trade in that direction. Now, personally, not my trading style, as I'm the type of trader who wants to enter at the top of a consolidation for a short, or the bottom of consolidation for a long position, and not at an area where price is already extended like this. So personally wouldn't trade this way, but we'll see how it performs. It does say that it's created by professional traders, so let's see if there's any truth to that based on this 100 test. Now, time for the 100 tests. Let's get into it. All right, the results are in, so let's check it out. This was tested on British pound against the US dollar on the 5-minute time frame using a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. It took less than 1 month of price data to find the 100 trade setups, and there were 37 winners and 63 losses. The most lost in a row was 8, and the most won in a row was 5. The gain on the account risking 1% of the account equity per trade, minus 7.5%. So this one actually lost money and has ended up being one of the worst tests that I've ever done on the channel. So you'll see it on the ranking spreadsheet where it falls, but it's going to be right at the bottom next to I think one other or maybe two others that performed a little bit worse. So this strategy built by professional traders didn't do very well. I don't want to say anything about these professional traders because I don't want to get sued, but it doesn't seem like it's very good. And you know, the issue with it was this enters at the end of a move the most of the time. Only in a really strong trending movement does this actually work out. So the majority of the time, you're entering right before price reverses on you. Get that ADX goes over the 50 level, price is already ready to reverse. And that's why at the beginning I was saying I don't like to trade this way when price is already extended, as I like getting in when price is at a discount, not when price is already at a premium. So let's check this out on the ranking spreadsheet, see where it falls. But it'll be interesting to see the other strategies that these professional traders have created and to test those ones out as well to see if this one might just be a fluke and the rest of them are really good. But we'll see. So let's check it out on the ranking spreadsheet. All right, here it is on the strategy ranking spreadsheet, falling at spot number 72 out of 75 strategies tested so far. Obviously, this one performed terribly and shouldn't be traded. You know, I did want to try some ADX trading strategies since I don't have very many on the strategy ranking spreadsheet yet. So it'll be interesting to see if the other strategies presented by these professional traders perform any better. But for now, we do not have a viable ADX strategy based on this test. So it'll be interesting and we'll see what happens. But anyway, I do want to give a quick shout out for my affiliate, Capitalize.ai. Check it out. Capitalize allows traders to create and automate their trading strategies just by typing them out in plain English. No coding knowledge required. You can simulate, backtest, and deploy strategies all from your phone and all for free. Thanks for checking it out. If interested, have a nice day.